Now time for some savoury goodness. And I have a quick quiche recipe that doesn't require any pastry whatsoever. I have a tricky way to make quiche. Super easy and quite nutritious. And it doesn't use pastry for the shells, it uses wholemeal bread. You need to take the crusts off though. It's kind of like lunchbox sandwiches for little kids with no crust. You just have to roll it flat because it makes a crispier quiche shell. A little bit of soft butter. And then we take our non-stick muffin tin with the butter side down and just gently ease it in so we don't rip the bread, and then pop the corners down. And so we can do a whole tray really quickly if I do roll, spread, pass. Roll, spread, pass. I've chosen 2 flavours for us to do today, pumpkin and sage, and then tomato with a little bit of basil pesto on the top. That is looking fabulous. 200 grams of thinly sliced pumpkin, and when you roast this, it becomes really sweet. Just put a tiny bit of olive oil on it to help it brown. A little bit of salt and pepper. Do you want to follow me to the oven? We'll put these in. 160, and they only take 15 minutes. You want to set that timer? So while that's happening, it will just give us enough time to make our filling. I need a cup of milk. So can you see that one down there?
Yeah.
Let me know when I get there. Nearly there?
There.
Right. 6 eggs. Who's up for cracking eggs?
Me.
Okay, so it's 2 each. Let's go. And plonk. Excellent work.
Egg.
2/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. So we're going to have nice cheesy quiches. In it goes. Whisk. Just give this a whisk. Actually, Maisie, can you finish whisking? And Lily, can you pick me 3 cherry tomatoes, please? Thank you. So I've got sage to go with my pumpkin. I'm just going to slice it into thin little strips. We'll make 6 of them tomato and basil. So a half cherry tomato on each of them. And my trick is to put the cherry tomato with the cut side up so it starts to dry out. Got our tomatoes, our sage. Oh, right on time.
They look quite ready.
Look how crunchy you've made those.
That's so cool.
And I'll grab the pumpkin. 6 are going to be pumpkin and sage, 6 tomato and basil. Let's pile up this pumpkin. It's really soft. How does that look?
Really good.
And then we just need our mixture.
They look like flowers.
They
With
do.
the circle,
Yeah. Right. Then just pop one on the top with the cut side up. Or not. It doesn't matter. It's not going to be a disaster. Yeah. Wow, we are going to have a super pretty picnic, aren't we? So they just need to cook at 160 degrees for about 18 minutes or until they stop sort of wobbling.